now in Aurora.
Yan dam po na doon. This is Kanili Dam.
What?
Kanili Dam.
Kanili?
Yes, Kanili.
Kanili. As 12:20, we are allowed to check in, and that's one of the reasons why I love Costa Pacifica, aside from they're very accommodating, and the buko lychee welcome drinks is very refreshing. I like it. Okay, so now we're heading to our room. Let's see. We are on the second floor. Oh, there's Papa. 2, 3. Okay, so let's do a room tour. This is the restroom. Let's show it. Okay. Spacious. Okay, wow.
Wow. I like it.
You like it here?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
I like it.
And we have a veranda. Okay. So nice. Magla-lunch kami ni Honey and ni Art after we put down our things. Bye.